Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT the night before. The evening before your exam is not the time for intense cramming or learning new topics. Instead, focus on a quick, targeted review of material you are already familiar with. Spend about 1 hour refreshing key math formulas and grammar rules. This light review will help solidify existing knowledge without causing unnecessary stress or burnout before the big day. It is crucial to avoid activities that could hinder your performance. Do not take a full-length practice test. This will only exhaust you. Similarly, resist the urge to pull an all-nighter. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep. Introducing new, complex topics will likely cause more anxiety than benefit, so stick to what you know. Your brain needs rest to perform optimally. Focus on practical preparations to ease your mind. Gather all your test day essentials, including 2 number 2 pencils, an approved calculator, and your admission ticket. Lay out your clothes for the morning and plan your route to the test center. Enjoy a balanced, light dinner to ensure comfortable digestion. Avoid caffeine or excessive sugar to promote restful sleep. On the morning of the exam, wake up with ample time to get ready without rushing. A nutritious breakfast, like oatmeal or eggs, will provide sustained energy. Remember, you have prepared for this moment, so trust in your abilities. Approach each section with a clear mind and a positive outlook. Believe in yourself and your hard work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.